Hello everybody, DVM International School, Honeycomb textbook in English for class 7th, John Grace Academy. Today we will see this chapter 1, 3 questions, question and answers. Let's see the first question. Why was the king advised to go to the magician? Answer is, some of the wise men thought that in order to decide right time for doing something, one must look into the future, and only magicians were able to do that, so they advised the king to go to magicians. Question number 2, in answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? The answer is, in answer to the second question, some people suggested to seek advice of counselors, the priest or the doctors or the soldiers. Now let's see question number 3. What suggestions were made in answer to the third question? The answer is, for the third question, some people said science was the most important business, while there were others who believed it was fighting, and then there were those who believed religious worship should take the first place. Question number 4. Did the wise man win the reward? If not, why not? The answer is no. The wise men didn't win the reward because their answers were so different from each other, and king was not satisfied with their answers. Question number 5. How did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? The answer is, the king washed the wound and covered the wound of the man with his handkerchief and kept on dressing it until the bleeding stopped completely. The king also offered the wounded man water to drink. The hermit helped the king to bring the wounded man to spend his night in the hut. Question number 6, first part. Who was the bearded man? Answer is, the bearded man was an enemy of the king. He wanted to take revenge of his brother's death by killing the king and taking away all his property. The second part of the sixth question is, why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? The answer is, the bearded man asked to the king's forgiveness because he wanted to kill the king, but the king has saved his life. He was grateful to the king. Now the question number 7 is, the king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? Answer is, the king showed his forgiveness by promising the man that he will send his doctor and servants to look after him and to give back all his property. Now question number 8. What were the hermit answer to the 3 questions? Write each answer separately. Which answer do you like the most and why? The answer is, the most important time is our present, because it is the only moment when we have the power to act. The most important person at the moment is we ourselves, because the future is unknown and we don't know whether we will meet anyone in the future or not. So we should listen to ourselves. The most important business is to be kind and good to others, because we have been sent in this world to serve this noble cause. I like the third answer the most, because helping someone in need is like serving God. It makes a good person and bring a sense of satisfaction and contentment. Thanks.